So Vybz Kartel, all along you out here Badmind the youth them. You think we ain't gonna know? You see you can't hold it no more. You beat with broad belt. So you're there out here wish for the youth them feel. I will know you fear Alkaline Vybz Kartel. But let me tell you, in the music game, somebody have to take it over.
A few moments later.
Where man them say, Masicka ga saying kids go flap.
2,000 years later.
Yo, teacher. Vybz Kartel, we hear you throw a shade after a crocodile, man.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I just want to big up all of the real mothers them when I run down the vanity.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock?
No, one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, so we see J Progress run out. You understand? Yeah, but at a bag of things, so we're going in a video and we're gonna see what I want.
Everything in that night when I go come to day one night time, man. All of the darkness, man, and I go see the light, man. So Vybz Kartel, all along you out here Badmind the youth them. You think we ain't gonna know? You see you can't hold it no more. You beat with broad belt. So you're there out here wish for the youth them feel. Remember you have to look at youth and music too, you know.
Yo, people, I'm always say that, you know, because look, you know. Remember when him Cartel there prison and him say, yo, if him did their road, he would have sell platinum twice on Sundays. But I know him can't do it. You understand? And I always say this. You see, sometimes you might say something, but you just have to understand, say, yo, you have youths in the game, and you see me? The fight in a youth and all of them thing there. You can't fall back on your kids. You understand? So, it no matter what them want to say, because nobody can hold the youths them no more like back in the days with the system. You understand? So right now, I just a bag of internet thing. Like, it don't even make no sense, my G. A man just I do him thing and I say what him want to say. You see me? That's all him can do, because if you're not clash, my G, it don't even make no sense. You understand? But I just one of them thing that dog. You see, sometimes people just want to do them thing, and you know, it no matter if ticket cheap or high, at the end of the day, every show represent dancehall. You see me? Yeah, more arena we can get, better for the culture. You see what my idea say? So, I feel like say you are one artist, I will do it, and a bag of thing. You see me? Because if we want the thing grow, more artists fear do it and pull the crowd them. You understand? But we must say people.
Vybz and little Addy, remember good. You can't out here and wish for the youth them feel, brother. We know see you Badmind the youth them because you see the takeover what go on. Let me tell you something. We know you fear Masicka, and we know you fear Alkaline Vybz Kartel. But let me tell you, in the music game, somebody have to take it over. It don't make no sense you wish for the youth them feel. You see it? What you want? You don't want them sell out in the arena. You don't want them album sell. We know you Badmind the youth them long time, you know. Masicka near wrong. Me glad him see it. If I'm me and Masicka, me pay Jashi. Because Jashi come highlight it. We know a long time, so you don't. Are you want to stay up on top forever? Make the youth them get for them time too. And a matter of fact, remember say you have youth in the industry too. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. A real thing. But you see, the thing is that Masicka, from the get going, Masicka do a video and say, yo, him not align himself with no camp, and then him do that. That's the way him do wrong, you know. You understand? That's the way him do wrong. You see me? Because if him did just hold out and do him own thing, all of this or that, my G. You understand? But you have to understand, say, I just can't tell that in my G. You understand? We don't know the history already with the Gaza artists, them. You see me? How certain things happen with them and a bag of thing. You see me? At the end of the day, him can't deal with them youth, with them own thing, my dog. You see me? So, can't tell that them thing, you know, brother. I just internet thing, you know, bro. That not really not do nothing, you know. You see me? Because him say him down with God and sang, him not clash. Him just a throw some words. You see me? Him can't stop the youth, him. Because remember, say, Masicka gone about bus since 11 years now, from 2015 when him get hardball, and Alkaline from 2013. The youth them a do them thing, them a make them money, them a do shows. You understand? Cartel can't stop that. So no matter what him say, it only ever expose him when him a do beat belt or whatsoever, cause him no know say brother. If at that him portray where him say him a beat Alkaline according to them, cause that's some joke thing that me even made say, but if at that him not even know say brother, if you go beat youths, as you say, remember say you have youths in the game. You understand? And you use some of the music for years as well, and them now get that attraction there. You understand? Sometimes are the things them what you do. You see me? Yeah, but at the end of the day, the artists them do them thing, cartel do them thing. You understand? Because at the end of the day, I always tell people say this arena thing, you know, some joke thing, because me know say Alkaline announced in an arena before Vice Cartel. Alkaline Arena are announced from 2024. You understand? And then him do the arena in a 2025. Cartel Arena announced in a 2025. The February. You understand? Which is a Barclays Center. Alkaline announced like I think the October 2024, November they saw. You understand? So when I know at the end of the day, Alkaline did I go do him arena. You understand? So when me them talk, me just shape made. I just one of them thing there. The youth them a do greatness. I saw it go. Them are the future. Cartel no matter what Cartel do me G. You understand? Cartel I just use the internet and do what him for do. Him can't do nothing because yeah, him do him time in the music, but his music, his population nowadays, it not really get that attraction the way it usually get like back then.
Where man them say, Masicka ga saying kids go flop. A Ungo Gaza fans that say that, man. A Ungo Gaza fans that say that. Me can bet that anywhere, anytime, any day. A Ungo Gaza fans that say that. When I watch the show, man. When I watch the show, good. My father do a splendid performance. So did Masicka. But guess what? Gaza fans, no matter what another artist in a dancehall do, Cartel will always do it better.
Well, I say going on, them are him fans, you know, so them are going to do what they want to do, you know. You understand? Although we know, say, Cartel is not that 100% a performance bag of thing, but you don't know how the industry puppet that, so them are going to hide everything. Everybody know that. All know Cartel not perform with a band, so we know that. You understand? Most of the artists in Jamaica perform with bands, but when him forward out, him not get none of that. You see it, so I just one of them thing there. You see, because I think I see something in a video like him say, yo, if you sing good song and we I say, Jaja dog, you not sing no good song recently. You see me? So I just wanna say, as me say, boy, I don't know Masicka with the issue, I don't know. It's like to me, him sang them, cause remember, you know, you can dead and sing on the stage and do what you do, you know. See? And if your song hit, that bigger impact the space, the crowd are gonna sing, you don't have to say nothing. But if your song no hit and the crowd not sing, but people are hype up say, yo, it's a hit song, this is a problem there, you know. And the thing with Masicka now, Masicka perform to the people then, but I don't know, some of the time the man perform to the ground or him turn him back or I don't know. I don't think he might come on the crowd. You know, him just need for work and him need for work on him how him set playlist with him catalog. You understand? I just that. You see it, him just need to do some rehearsals and some little practice on certain things. You see me? Yeah, but you cannot do that same way, but if you sang them now impact the space, my G, it even make no sense. You understand?
Uno, at the world down a dancehall. Remember when me tell you that? Because when last Vice Cartel get a hit song, when last Vice Cartel do a good tune, me you not talk about Vice Cartel album this and that. Vice Cartel friend them a buy him album. Vice Cartel go and buy back him own album. And that me actually tell you no. Vice Cartel a pay for views right now. Right now Vice Cartel a pay for views. And
no, but we been a know that we been a see what go on. You understand? I just one of them thing there. You see it. But as I go, everybody buy views. Some people not buy views. You understand? Yeah, I just the thing said.
All of these things, forget fame thing out there. Remember, you know, the biggest clout chaser in the game of Vice Cartel, you know. The biggest clout chaser in the game is Vice Cartel. Think about it. All fish reaction, Jaden, Vice Cartel a big them up. Me a big up Rose, me a big up all the other them. Anything forget clout. We know that too well. Look how Vice Cartel do collab. Look when Vice Cartel forward from prison. Oh, Vice Cartel now push Jamal as much as they used to push him when Jamal at when him forward from prison. Oh, Anyway, clout there, this Vice Cartel there.
Well, we know I saw him stay, you know. You understand? Them man, they drain energy. You see what me I try to say? I just them on the thing there. You see me? Remember back in the days, how the guys are deal with Shensia. You understand? How them deal with Shensia. Beat her left, right, sensitive, song array. And look at now. For this year, Shensia give one of the biggest song. Kind been a job song. How long since him fall, but it not gone away. Shensia for give that collab there and Shensia kind of give the song the element there. You understand? Yeah. So I just one of them thing them if you just go and use the people them who him this and all of them look thing. Yeah, cause look on the Freedom Street show. You understand? The Freedom Street show enough artists for on the show and thing and like after the show. With them there. You understand? Much artists link up all of them look thing there. Nothing of them G. You understand? I just can't tell that. You see me, I know nothing different. You see me, I know nothing different, me G. You see it, so. I just one of them thing there. You see me?
I my real clout chase around here. I remember good. I know Masicka no flap. Cause me here, my youth they say it, you know. The quality of song them when Masicka do, put them against Vice Cartel song. Make Vice Cartel song them look like a big fuckery. Believe when me tell you that.
John, I think a Nico Fire him attack, you know. Yeah man, a Nico Fire him attack. But you know, I always have Masicka like a reggae artist. Like I don't know, maybe trim there around the reggae artists them much like Keznam, the Protege them, Junior Gang them. Says like, you know, them motivate him and kinda show him certain things with the music. He's what I try to say, I just him that. You see it? Him just put out different type of music. And I like Cartel or Alkaline or Valiant to put out some type of ranchy music or Malidan. You understand? They put out them type of music. Masicka and them artists there. You see me? But at the end of the day, him just need to build up him female catalog, him woman catalog. Cause him not have much songs. You see me? And at this so the thing go. If you want to have a good catalog, just make sure say you have some songs to the woman them. You understand? But that brother say something, so we're gonna hear what Massive people.
Yo, teacher. Vibes Cartel, we hear you throw shit after a crocodile, man. You see, I make no more gun song and them thing, man. And we understand that, you see, but you can't retire with the crown, you know, remember? You can't retire with the crown. So if you us easy, make a regular song, then but not throw no shade song. Because we don't know you as the man there. You understand? You don't have it like you did have it before.
Cartel have to do that, you know, me G. Him have to do that. Remember, you know, him want to keep himself relevant for people talk about him. So him have to say something, and make media run with it. Say, oh, this a man I did, this a man I keep him in the conversation. Him have to do that. Me always tell people, if Cartel put on lock off him phone, no post nothing for y'all 6 months. Who know that say something? You understand? Him have to do him have to post up, him have to do them thing there. He's a brother will love them type of attention there. Him not like see when people, you know, I go on with a bag of thing. Remember in him damn yard, I go on easy. Him drunk. And him a see a bag of thing and way beat. And remember, you know, sometimes when you're drunk, you know, the things that you up on your mind, you say it. You understand? So I just that go on. You see me? Cartel is that type of man where I'm going to do things in the media. I remember I said before that I just man will love video himself, everything. I just see him that I feel personality that. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, no music make him stay relevant in a dancehall. You understand? I'm mostly like controversy things and talk about things on the internet and not really music. You understand? Because, you know, him drop an album and yeah, you will see numbers and things, but no, each song not fall out tight. So when you see him use belt and a beat belt and all of them things there, you know. And because a song there, people say, yo, him had this Alkaline and him had this Masicka. I think that song there, him a mother though. I not even know, but that beat them teacher song there. You understand? And that the only song where me see people are and because them say that this Alkaline and Masicka. You understand? Him not really have nothing else out the album. But I just one of them things, I just controversy, a theme thing that. You see me?
That way I get, we not see a wash up. Me not see a wash up, because I grow and we know it. We know your prime, but we don't know your current form. And that I think, we know your personal best, but we don't know your current form. So low shades showing thing, because remember Masicka say it in a dead tour, you know. So make Addy right sitting. Just make Addy go in the studio, man. Go vice sit, make him split up a cap. Yeah, man.
Him nah do nothing, man. Man, they nah do nothing, me G. You understand? The man, they nah do nothing, me dog. Him nah do nothing. Your man say, yo, only somebody can ram over, though. Cartel depends, man. Not even the cartel has some internet thing, me G. You understand? The man, they not serious, we do not clash or nothing, brother. You see me? So, him just got us throw some little words on the internet. You see me? Maybe after a while, people say, yo, brother, if you not do it, you do, bro, you better not say nothing. You understand? That's what I'm thinking. But people, only never tell me, say, Shawn turn DJ. I turn selector. I walk one. I selector, man, turn dog. But well, if you can make money, because I see this, I say, bombard, man, turn selector now, dog. I can't believe, say, nobody not tell me what I go and say, man, turn the selector. But here man, away name now. Shawn Storm sound or what? Yo, that's a big sack that we are telling you.
I just want to big up all the real mothers them when I run down the vanity. When you bring your youth, you're a mother. If you dash away your youth, dash away yourself. So big up all the real mothers. You bring them youth. Whether C-section or the natural birth. From the youth I walk earth, he's a mother. If you don't do that, you should fucking fade away.
People, what you think? You feel like say the selector thing would have fit Shawn Storm? What you think? Eh? You feel like that we go on? Well, if I this thing can make him money, cause look at now, if music thing not really work for him, you know. So if him can do his selector and get big in his selector thing and make him money, do it. You understand? You know?
Masicka, I want to chat to you for a minute. Give me a son of my father, the people them love you. Yeah man, your fans them love you, no Masicka. And you're a bad artist. I have a real strong catalog of music right now with the people them love and everything. But right now, you need to step up your performance a little more and interact with your fans them more. You understand? You want more energetic performance. I mean,
bro, you just say one strong catalog, brother. Masicka do what you can do for performing, but I'm tell you now, you say if your song not hit me G, the crowd are got dead. Me I tell you that. It would look like when one of them artists they were, you know, an artist when a bus yet and you see him walk on the stage and you just dead there and him just a sing. You don't know his song? Brother, I sang. You say if his song not hit me G, the crowd are gonna stand up dead. Cause when his song hit, people are gonna move, people are gonna sing it out. You understand? I just one of them think them G. I don't think Masicka have them type of catalog there yet. You understand? Cause we see the performance. You see? Because look at now, down at the Grenada show. Yeah, we get that. Yeah, him kind of did a move away there, so like a stoop on the stage and all of them look at thing. Them don't know already wrong with him. Then you see the next show now, I see him move up and down and he might do him thing like up and down, but I don't know the songs them with them say hit it. Nah, hit the people them G. That are the problem, you know. That are the problem. When him perform the song them, it's like I don't know. You see me? Come here, people say, oh, when other people perform the song or say the song, them get real. But me I say, bro, that even worse. You understand?
have a lot of bad song where you can run out aggressive on them and beat them bad. Hype up the crowd. And when you reach the girl segment, you calm it back down for the girl them. You see me I say? I mean the people them know say you are one crocodile, one genocide, one massacre. You're a bad artist. And Cartel know you're a bad artist, you know. That's why Cartel do the song with you. So spite of what go on, and you look Ray, Cartel still rate you. I mean you still rate Cartel. You see, Pre?
Brother, I don't know what you're talking about. You understand?
But the people them love you, you can't tell good. Give the people them look about aggressive performance on stage and do anything wicked. Run out back on them mad and hype the crowd. When they reach the girl segment, you calm it back down. And I you that. You see, Pre, my father? So yeah man, just step up the game man. Look more energetic performance and interact with your fans. You see, Pre? Because the people them love you. If I like me, I tell people, tell me say I fuck you. See, Pre? 1-8 bar attack.
Well, if you sang them now, it don't make no sense. You understand? So look here now. Yeah, him could have a high energetic performance, but if the song them not connect to the people, them might just stand up there and crowd and nothing not go on. You understand? So I just one of them thing there. Him just need to work on him catalog. Especially him not have the girl song them like that. And that's one of the major thing. You understand? Yeah, so you don't know. I want me the fuck span you up, you see me? Big up on yourself. That is it.